Hey guys, welcome to the first drive video of the Wagon. Not. Well, it kind of drove, but it wasn't very successful. I have to learn a lot more about tuning and all sorts of interesting things. So, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for tuning in. There will be a actual first drive video coming out soon. And that's it. Enjoy. I need to fucking see. Seriously? Well, that means it's going really rich. Frack. Let's do this one. Hey guys, well, that was kind of the first drive of the Wagon. Not too bad. I gotta do some serious tuning though, because it doesn't want to run very well. So I can't really tell if things are working until I get it to run really well. So
yeah, I'll keep you updated. Like, subscribe, buy my merch, and I'll see you in the next one.